Most people think their skin texture problems are caused by stubborn skin. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The real problem is often a skincare habit ruining skin texture. If your skin feels rough, looks dull, or has tiny bumps that never seem to go away, this may explain exactly why. Before we dive in, download the guide Scars Don't Define You, the clear skin guide to treating acne scars. Because texture issues and acne scars are deeply connected, and understanding that relationship can completely change your results. Now let's talk about what's actually happening. If you've ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin doesn't look smooth despite all the products you use, you're not alone. Maybe foundation clings to certain areas. Maybe your forehead has persistent bumps. Maybe your skin just looks uneven no matter what you try. Naturally, most people assume they need stronger products. That assumption is one of the biggest skincare habits ruining skin texture. When skin feels rough, the instinctive reaction is to exfoliate more aggressively. Scrubs, peels, strong acids, more treatments. It feels logical. Rough skin must mean dead skin buildup. But skin doesn't work like that. Your skin is a protective barrier first. When you repeatedly strip it, stress it, or overwhelm it with too many active ingredients, your skin doesn't become smoother. It becomes defensive. Stressed skin starts losing water more easily. Inflammation increases. Oil production becomes unpredictable. Cell turnover becomes uneven. And ironically, the skin begins feeling rougher because of the very effort meant to smooth it. Smooth skin isn't created by intensity. It's created by balance. This is where gentle chemical exfoliation becomes incredibly powerful when used correctly. Instead of physically scrubbing the skin, chemical exfoliants loosen the bonds between dead skin cells so they shed more evenly. This improves texture without damaging the barrier. A perfect example of this approach is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These pads are often misunderstood. Many people hear the word exfoliation and imagine something harsh or aggressive. But these are designed to be gentle, controlled, and especially helpful for anyone stuck in a skincare habit ruining skin texture cycle. Let's break down why they work so well. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads contain glycolic acid and lactic acid. Both are alpha-hydroxy acids that target roughness, dullness, and uneven texture. Glycolic acid helps dissolve the buildup of dead skin cells sitting on the surface. Lactic acid provides milder exfoliation while also supporting hydration. That combination is incredibly important. Many exfoliating products focus purely on resurfacing. These pads balance exfoliation with skin comfort, making them ideal for improving texture without overwhelming sensitive or reactive skin. So why does this help smooth skin? When dead skin cells accumulate unevenly, the surface becomes irregular. Skin feels rough. Makeup applies poorly. Light reflects unevenly, making the complexion appear dull. Gentle exfoliation helps restore a more uniform surface so skin feels softer and looks more refined. But the real benefit is consistency without aggression. Instead of shocking your skin with something extremely strong once per week, these pads allow gradual improvement. Now, let's talk about how to use them correctly, because this is where many people accidentally create new problems. During the daytime, these pads can be an excellent prep step. After cleansing, gently swipe a pad across your face using light pressure. There's no need to scrub. Let the solution fully absorb into your skin. Then comes the most critical step. Always apply SPF. Alpha-hydroxy acids increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. That doesn't mean you shouldn't use them. It means sunscreen becomes absolutely non-negotiable. Skipping SPF while using exfoliating acids is one of the fastest ways to worsen pigmentation, irritation, and texture issues. In other words, ignoring sunscreen becomes another skincare habit ruining skin texture. After the pad absorbs, apply moisturizer, then sunscreen, then makeup. Many people notice their foundation sits more evenly, and their skin looks naturally smoother when using this method. At night, the pads serve a different but equally valuable role. Evening use focuses on renewal. After cleansing, swipe a pad across your face just like you would in the morning. Follow with hydrating serums or barrier-supportive moisturizers. Nighttime is when your skin naturally shifts into recovery mode, making this an ideal time for gentle resurfacing. Consistency is key. Some people use them once per day. Others tolerate morning and night. Sensitive skin types often benefit from starting every other day. Remember, smoother skin rarely comes from doing more. It comes from doing smarter. Another reason these pads are so helpful is that they stabilize your routine. Many people struggling with texture are constantly switching products, layering too many actives, or chasing dramatic treatments. Texture improvement thrives on stability. Your skin needs time to respond, adapt, and rebuild. There's also something even more important to understand. Skin texture concerns and acne scars are deeply connected. Tiny bumps, uneven surface changes, and lingering marks often overlap. Trying to fix texture without understanding scars leads to incomplete results. That's exactly why you should download the guide, Scars Don't Define You, the Clear Skin Guide to Treating Acne Scars. Because once you understand how to improve smoothness while minimizing the appearance of scars, your entire skincare strategy becomes more effective. Your skin isn't stubborn, it's responsive. Once you remove the habits quietly sabotaging your results and replace them with balanced, intelligent strategies, smooth skin stops feeling like luck and starts becoming predictable.